how could you start your AI company and being able to collect payments and have build a business? So that these are big pain points that we found. So we thought instead of using, let's say, traditional bank account and traditional infrastructure, why don't you use a wallet, right? So you'll be able to collect payments in crypto, whether it's Ethereum or stable coins, and you can receive directly payments to your wallet. And the other cool thing is you can launch your AI company in under like 10 minutes. Our target is about 5 minutes, but let's call it 10 minutes. It doesn't matter where you are, you'll be able to launch it quickly. So instead of having a company, use a smart contract. If you want to protect your intellectual property, have a smart contract that wrap your data and infrastructure, because that's pretty much your IP. Instead of having a bank account, like I mentioned, you can have your wallet, either one wallet or multiple wallets. So now I'm going to do a quick demo. And as a developer or a startup founder, how do you launch your AI company under 5 minutes? OpenxAI.org. That's the domain name. Let me jump into the core platform. In the core platform, it's a completely Web3 console. You connect your wallet. There's no registration. There's no KYC. First of all, here you have the App Store. In the App Store, you have very most popular foundational LLMs or any open source models, similar like Hugging Face. So you pick your model and you pick your version, which version you want to deploy. And then here is what infrastructure you want to deploy into. So at OpenMesh, since we are OpenMesh Cloud, we have a lots of GPU supply. So that's why we give that for free for people to test. In this particular case, I will choose OpenMesh. You choose OpenMesh. And the third step is the tokenization. The example which I gave you before, the two startup founders from Australia who wants to build their ChatGPT for universities, if they come here, if they choose something like this, ERC 4337 ERC wrapper, what it allow you to do, allow you to create your bank account, which is the wallet, and have your subscription, so you can provide a peer-to-peer AI services without a middleman. So what that means, I launch this AI service from my bedroom, and anyone can access the AI services without any restrictions. And if I were to charge from the end customer, I'll be able to charge from crypto, or I'll be able to do that by provisioning my smart contracts. Then I can charge whether it's a one-time off payment or it's an ongoing payment. It all can be leveraged and done through smart contract. So in contrast, if you think about that $5,000 to $10,000 or $20,000 that you need to spend on lawyers and bank accounts and setting up a company, so all you're paying here is for a blockchain gas fee. If you want to launch your tokenization or monetization model on Ethereum, you'll be spending maybe $5 to $10 worth of gas fee. And we intend to launch on Base first. So if you launch on the Base chain, your gas fee will be under $1, like aim to do under 50 cents. So what that means is instead of spending $20,000 or $5,000 to go from 0 to 1, you'll be spending less than $1 to launch your AI company. Since this is a 3-step process, there's no code required. You can launch your AI services from anywhere in the world. The other cool thing is, since you're hosting on a decentralized cloud, not a centralized cloud, so no one can shut down your services. And you don't need permissions to start your AI company. And you manage the data, you control your business model, you control your bank. It's a beautiful design.